How to connect ChatGPT with Tally Prime data. Instead of manually exporting reports from Tally, ChatGPT can analyze your business data and generate professional reports and business insights within seconds. Here's how EasyReports makes it possible. First, EasyReports connects with Tally Prime using its in-house Tally connector. It automatically extracts your business data. Next, the data is stored in a structured SQL database, preparing it for the reporting and AI analysis. Now, ChatGPT securely accesses the required business data from the SQL database to answer your questions. Simply ask prompts like, generate a monthly sales pivot report. ChatGPT analyzes the data, creates professionally formatted Excel reports, builds pivot-style summaries, identifies business trends, and delivers meaningful insights in seconds. Transform your Tally Prime data into AI-powered reporting and business intelligence with EasyReports. Book your demo now